Ta-dam, ta-dam, dam, ta-dam. Well. Audi A3 8L, made in Taiwan. It's Audi. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Wow, so music lamp. Audi A3 8L. Wow, so amazing lamp. Wow, cool, isn't it? It's even rubber out there. It's even there the rubber. Oh, cool. So nice. I like it. Well, really not bad. Really not bad. This is a rubber. This is a rubber. Okay, I see. Well, I think it's not bad. Not bad, really. Tits. Tu dich piep. Tits. Well, not bad lighting. For €8 per one lamp, wow. Not bad, really not bad. Rubber. What is this? Okay, nice. Here you are. Okay, and another one. Another one. Wow. Automotive lamps. Wow. I'm so excited. Automotive lamps from Taiwan. Wow. From Taiwan. €8 in this part. Against regional, interchangeable against regional. Order number made in Taiwan. Taiwan. Wow. Taiwan. Oh, I'm so excited. It's like a Christmas. I'm so exciting. It's like a Christmas. Well, not bad. Right and left. Teats 185315. Teats. Really not bad. Really not bad. Okay. Lamp. Yellow lamp. Or red. Well, not bad. I don't understand why is this need on this lamp. Oh, made in Taiwan. Taiwan. 21 watts. Wow. Well, it's so exciting. In the next scene, we we get this lamp in a vehicle. Get this lamp in a vehicle, wow, 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 so exciting. Teats, wow. Press like if you like this film about unboxing vehicle parts, lamps, automotive lamps. Good night.